All right, y'all. Today we are replacing the upper control arm on a 2002 F150. I think it's the same for two-wheel drive versus four-wheel drive, but somebody correct me if I'm wrong. So what we're going to do first, we got the truck jacked up. We're going to take the tire off, 21 mils for me, and then we'll be back. Next, we're going to jack the whole side up a little bit. Take some pressure off the top. And then I got 13/16 on both of these. We're just going to take these two bolts out as well as the 21 on the ball joint. And then we'll be done. All right, just kidding. This is 13/16 or 21. So Matt's going to hold this guy for me, and then I'm going to loosen from the other side. And yeah, we'll do that twice. All right, old one's out. Here's the new one. Looks a little better. Here's the issue we had. This guy was stripped, so I had to cut a hole, and obviously a cotter pin can't fit through that. So we just want to be safe, so we're gonna put this guy in. Same thing. Bolt and nut through the little bushings into the, see if it fits. Into two mounts, and then the upper control arm ball joint back in with a 21, and then we'll be good to go. All right, back together. We got 21 or 13/16 here, and here. This is actually 1 inch on the new one, but it's going to depend on what one you get. But tire's going back on, and then she's done.